Here we are in this ski lift that was put into a park. This is Canobie Lake Park in New Hampshire. Salem, New Hampshire to be exact. Old ass ski lift from probably the 60s. Maybe older. I mean, I'm not the technician here, I'm just assuming. But judging upon the shape of it, it's definitely 50s or 40s. Kind of old school. Very well kept. Nice looking lift, not too bad. This is the joys of New England in the summertime, and not the best looking day for summer, but it's a little cooler, I guess. I hope you folks enjoy the view. Oh, look at this waterfall. Very appealing to the eye. Oh, we come to a stop. And so this video. Enjoy. Peace.
Hi, Julio.